Good thumbnail right here. Ooh. Gonna have to use this. Let me blacken the screen real quick. It's like we're tired of winning. Beautiful yellow X's. Looks like we need the algorithm to kick in to get folks. Line up the interviews where I'm getting friendly messages from all my good YouTube counterparts. This is going to play out just as expected. If it doesn't come all the way down, it'll still come down some. People keep asking me, when long? Come on, folks. Don't you know better? Hasn't everyone learned? Haven't we learned? But I just can't miss out on all this. Is just free money. Free, easy trades. We're cooking with gas. We are cooking with gas, folks. Do yourself a favor. Go to the CryptoFaceCrypto.com website if you haven't already and get you some. Wondering if I should take profit at 20K, just take another 20K. What do the charts tell us? Man, this was beautiful. I knew when we started seeing that strong push down, I knew the big dump was coming. I knew it was coming. We've seen all this before, like everyone. We've all seen this stuff before. There should be no excuse, no excuse if you didn't capitalize on it. We know that when we see that deep, it's like pushing a long dagger into some flesh, and it's just going deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper. And eventually you're going to hit a vein. It's going to bleed, just gush out. And once we started going sideways, I mean, again, we've seen this pattern a million times where it makes a little semicircle, enter a little 700K short. Looks like the Chinese day reset, so I don't have any of the P&Ls right here. I wish I could have seen the P&L right here. Just stack on top and on top and on top. Filled out the inquiry for the Ferrari, so I am guessing they'll give me a call tomorrow. And we'll see what happens. I'll do it here in my garage. Oh, that'd be great. Here in my garage. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it could be this range. I don't know. I don't know. I would say into the Swedish shuffle when we start seeing when it looks like on the daily or the 2-day on the larger money flow time frames, when it looks like it's starting to peak, right? So if the money flow comes down here, wherever the money flow is, I'll make that decision of when I'm going to start buying Bitcoin based off of the money flow. When it's in the red, you buy when there's blood in the streets. This is when blood is in the streets, right? This was the first shot. This is the first, we just started bleeding. So there needs to be blood that's bled into the streets. Yes, it's 0.1 Bitcoin for the whale crew lifetime. Look at the 3-day. I mean, I imagine once in we'll see a nice drop here, but we have room. We have room for bear time. I mean, we have again room to the downside. We have room to the downside. And these Swedish shuffles have done this before, where they come down, chill, and then boom, break down. We'll see another drop for sure. We'll see another big drop eventually. We'll see another big drop eventually. Cynthia did fine. Cynthia did terrific, actually. Cynthia was on it. Cynthia was short. All the triggers for it to enter shorts all were firing off. Whoops. What are you doing? Are you playing dead?
DJ, put the bass on.
Oh, whoops. Let's take another 20K. Fuck it. Closed. We closed. Another 20K to the books. Took another 20K to the books. Make sure you're withdrawing your profits. I am. That's right. Yeah, I closed before the funding rate. That is totally true. Cocaine. Oh man, it looks like we got out at a good time for now. Another 20K profit locked in, loaded. I have a good feeling Good feeling, folks. We're feeling warm and fuzzy about this price action. I'm telling you, we're about to gut this bleeding pig. This tool does help people for sure. I'm going to the summit, and I'm certainly looking forward to it. I know one person that is going is in my trade group and whatnot. There's only a certain amount of people that are allowed to go. I filled out the Ferrari inquiry today, and so we'll see if they call me tomorrow. Hell no. Say something stupid like that again, and I'll just remove you. Let's see what my official profit P&L was on that trade. Cocaine. Yeah, market cipher is truly amazing. It really is. All right, let's see here. Okay, so after fees, 2.09. What was that? 2.09. No. 17,558, 2.22, 2.22, 2.02. All right, so we just made another $17,555, including fees. Way to go, Mike. I'm very happy to hear that. Ow.
We can't forget about the heartbreak. They make big things.
Sid, you're so lovey. You're so funny. You're so funny, Sid.
That's right. The laughter. Make me feel adored. We can't forget about the heartbreak.
Dang, yellow X on this candle. I would probably, so I'm guessing that where's the pivots? What the heck? aren't the pivots working? Are they? The pivots aren't working. What the heck? Welcome, Delilah. You came to the right place. Do I have them on inputs? Whatever was that here? Inputs. Oh, derp. Thank you, friends. All right, let's take a look-see. I need to figure out a low time frame, aggressive pivot type of strategy. I mean, it might not. Yes, this is live. We already closed. We already closed our next trade. We took, including fees, $17,550 profit on top. Still a lot of room to the downside on higher time frames. I mean, a lot of room to the downside. Could be a really big downside, actually. Could be a big downside here, folks. Interesting. Interesting right here. You know, when it touches these lower pivots, it goes up or sideways. Could see a little bit of upward movement from here. I mean, that's why I closed my trade. Sid is being so lovey right now.
You're being so lovey.
I was able to dump actually the Coinbase price a good little bit when I sold my profits. It was at like a high point, and I sort of felt like I triggered a little bit of a dump. I'm not gonna lie, felt pretty good. Dumped the price a good little bit. I'm telling you, we're starting to be our own little Chinese whale group. I have my own button I'm gonna push. Oh, Sid, I have my own button. My own Monsanto.
But why? Why don't you pump the price a bit?
Oh, because we need more Bitcoin. And if we want more Bitcoin, you push the button, Monsanto.
Qu'est-ce que tu... But why? All the YouTubers said it's a pump, monsieur. Oh, monsieur.
Why is this shit posted on my Instagram? I don't like these posts. To talk to my Instagram guy and be like, what the hell is this? This I approve.
You're fired. You hear that?
I've had one quote-unquote journalist that wrote an article and it was terrible. I told him, I'm like, this article's like, they wouldn't do an article to like support me. They wrote it. It was terrible. Terribly written. Like one of the worst things I've ever read. I'm like, if I was a moon boy, I'd probably long at like this 8,300 and get out at 84 something, but I don't think I'm gonna do that because I still believe this could totally still just come all the way down. Actually, still could come all the way down before coming back up. Thank you, appreciate it, Ethan. If you are new to trading, new to this channel, we use Hike and a Sheik candles, and it's all we need, baby. All we need is the Hike and a Sheik. We'll see if we can cap in on one of these good blue waves. These pivots are amazing, actually. I mean, look. This pivot nailed the bottom of this pivot perfectly. Perfectly. Look. It's just like, oh, this is probably going to be a bottom. And bing, nailed it. Market Cipher is the most amazing indicator ever created. And if I didn't create it, I would still be saying that about some other asshole maybe that made it up somewhere. If there was some other person that made Market Cipher, I would still call it the same. I feel like we had a terrific exit on this short. We exited at the right time. How do I feel about Richard Hart? He's cool. This would have been a nice little long. Shit, I even just called this. I was like, damn, it's probably a good time to long at 8,300 for a little scalp. This is where we are in a scalper's dream right now. Like, there's, oh man, we can just be slicing this pig. We can actually pump up the leverage, risk a little bit less equity, and just gut. Like Freddy Krueger. Bybit unleashes withdrawals 3 times a day. Once every 8 hours, I believe. This thumbnail's genius. This dude's shitting the blood diamonds. He's got me on Connor's face, got the Rari right there. I like this one too, damn. Smooth, it's all red just with the black rims. That's pretty slick too. Do you need to be good at trading to use Market CIpher? Apparently not. Apparently not. Will you be good at trading after Market CIpher? Most likely. If I can have X crackhead drug addicts hit 11, go 11-4, 11 wins out of their first 15 trades, and then 9 wins out of their next set of 11 trades the next day. If even my own father, who's a flopping groper, never traded himself before, started 2 weeks ago, if he can do it, you can too. Market CIpher is like an AWP. It always shoots straight. It'll hit its target. It's a true tool. Like a shovel. A shovel will always dig. You just gotta stick your foot in it. It's the most amazing trading tool ever. Revolutionary in the trading space. 100% for crypto, 110% for even standard markets, but man. For those of you just joining us, we closed our trade already. We took, with all the fees and everything, another 17.5 thou wow. Even if Bakkt, you know, the truth is even Bakkt just came out at the right time. Even the pattern itself would have, if Bakkt wasn't even going to exist and this was the same pattern, the same thing would have happened, you know. So I mean, the pattern is the money flow, you know. Of course I long. Depends on, I mean, when we were longing the hell out of this upward movement, we were longing these movements, shorting these, longing these. I mean, of course I long. Of course. I go with what is best. I go with what's going to get me and my people, my kingdom, paid. My people eat. My people eat. Playlist is the same. Dark Monkey Music Live 24/7.
South Africa.
Shout out to South Africa. I have a big following in South Africa. Loyal, good following. Yeah, we definitely had a lot of market cipher orders come in as, you know, predicted. We always do when, you know, we nail big trades or any trades.
You're so funny. You're so funny, Sid. How come you're so lovey right now? You're more lovey than you normally are.
How did I find Bitcoin? Well, I mean, I found out about it in 2014. Bought a little bit. Forgot about it. And when I mean a little bit, I bought like a tiny bit. But the way all this started is I was actually in a prayer. And I prayed for a woman that I wanted at the time. And a way to use my talents throughout the world to help people make money that need it to better their lives. And right after that prayer, I just went to my computer and I found some crypto shit and just got in right after. It's crazy. Targets are overrated, people. I don't know. It's about however low it goes. When my target is when this money flow starts to like even out. If money flow starts turning like this and flattens out, that's when it's time to start accumulating and buying and whatnot. Just like over here. For those of you who haven't seen it, let me show you something. Here it is. On the weekly, market cipher called the bottom right here. This green dot, which was at 3,100, and so we'll see if there'll be enough momentum to the downside for it to call it again. Nailed the bottom right here, boom, within like 40 bucks. Got a 1 hour yellow X right here, red dot down here. Interesting. Interesting. Let me see what let me just type in, let me see what my daily stuff. We'll do a $1 contract just to see this stuff. Okay, so we're up 17,419 from that last trade. Well, it's calculated in Bitcoin, and so the value of Bitcoin. I actually don't really like not being in a short right now. Even like a super low leverage short, if the value is just going to keep going down. I mean, I've been selling all my Bitcoin. I've been selling. I'm not really holding Bitcoin. I don't know if it's is it really gonna dump right now more? I feel like it can come back up at least a little bit. I already exited my short, people. I exited my other short. I just took another 20K. I did not get the Ferrari, no. I inquired about the Ferrari, and so I'm sure they'll call me tomorrow. Someone will call me tomorrow, and we'll see what happens. don't know. I don't think it's ready to break down yet to the next level. All the tutorials for CIpher are in the Discord. There's a tab right here. It says MC Tutorials. MC Tutorials. Click that button. And then this is the main tutorial, Intro to CIpher. Everything you need to know. It's 42 minutes long. Goes through everything about CIpher, what CIpher is, what everything means. The blue wave strategy, winning every trade with the cowboy hat. And then there's others. Your cipher key right here, what everything means. These definitions need to be changed for Pete's sake. I tell you, you can't do anything to do with that. Let's take a look. See here. Some other YouTubers that have talked about. There's YouTubers out there that have formed their own strategies. CIpher's deep, you know, so you can develop your own kind of working tools and strategies within. Go to the CryptoFaceCrypto.com website if you want any info on all CIpher, the whale group, any of that stuff. Yeah, I'd like to see this come up even into the 85s. I'd feel this is where I'd really feel comfortable shorting. 8.5 whatever. I'd feel comfortable entering a short there. So we'll see. I used to get Shia LaBeouf a lot, but now as we got older, we grew apart. But there was a time where me and Neckhead looked a lot alike, even though he's a little bitch. Now he's this little liberal cuck. Oh shit. 82, 87. I mean, at the end of the day, it's kind of telling us it may. We're kind of getting signs that she could dump down here. She could come down to the bottom at 81.80 or even lower. I'm not. Fuck, this thing is dropping. I mean, it told us on the 30-minute. I didn't act upon it. Fuck. Current one on the 10. We'll do a little tiny one. You know, enough to cover a devaluation of the Bitcoin that I'm holding right now. Probably not looking for anything too much, but we'll see. Now is not the time. Now is not the time to get greedy. Put everything on the line. This is not an area where I'm looking to put everything on the line. No way. Just have something on the books where it can kind of soothe, where I know that the Bitcoin that I am holding isn't losing value. And it's something that, you know, it's something. Damn, this shit keeps going lower.
Sie brodelt in uns wie Gallensaft, der den bitteren Geschmack in unserem Mund hinterlässt. Sie ist in jedem von ihnen, die um diesen Tisch herum sitzen. Wir leugnen ihre Existenz, bis eines Tages der Körper gegen
Truly an amazing indicator. Another perfect example of how market cipher tells you what's going to happen before it happens.
die Wahrheit lässt sich nicht ignorieren.
Amazing. Never ceases to amaze. Adrian K, thank you. Thank you for your donation. All live stream donations go to future Market Cipher Scholarship Program giveaways. Thank you, Epic Elite Dynamics, for your donation. All donations go to the Market Cipher Scholarship Award Program. On the last scholarship giveaway, we selected, 7 people that were in need, people that were disabled, people that were bedridden, a lady that was mauled by a tiger when she was a little girl. Tiger picked her up by her neck, sunk its tooth in her spine. Families, men who have daughters, young little beautiful 7, 8, 12-year-old daughters that are dealing with medical things they shouldn't and are in and out of the hospital. Yet they have big old bright smiles. So I think it's time to exercise another scholarship. We got to do another giveaway of 5 more scholarships. So I'll put out a video of all the instructions and everything. No, I do not do private live feeds in the Whale Crew. Of course, I vet the people. I get proof on everything to make sure everything is real, of course. Mizad Salehi, thank you, my friend. The music is, again, Dark Monkey Music Live 24/7. Dark Monkey Music Live 24/7. Yeah, I feel like, honestly, rushing into his trade right now isn't really the best idea. Somewhere, at least in here. Honestly, this is really the best place to look for a short is if we have a circle come back up lower than this one. So this is the shit trade, in my opinion. Even if it does go my way, even if it goes down, I don't really think this is a good trade. We have had 3 kind of X's in a row. On these lower time frames, guys, when we have, normally it's 4 5 exits, we'll start to see kind of like a reversal. They'll tire out and it'll go to the opposite side. I'm not going to exit the trade. I'm going to keep it. But if we come back up to 8,500, I'll re-enter a good position. Most likely, depending on what, you know, the indicators show.
I suddenly experienced the universe as intelligent.
Thank you for all your donations, folks. Brad Russos, thank you. AB, thank you. All of these scholarship award winners certainly appreciate it and will appreciate it. One of our scholarship receivers started a YouTube channel. He's YouTubing his market cipher stuff now. It goes by King of Bybit. He was a winner of the scholarship program. He takes care of his mom. His mom's got, I don't remember the exact medical issues, but I know it's tough. Getting hungry. I think I'm gonna preheat the oven for some pizza. I'll be right back.
Global consciousness, a people orientation, an intense dissatisfaction with the state of the world, and a compulsion to do so. Gazing through the 240,000 miles of space towards the stars and the planet from which I had come, I suddenly experienced the universe as intelligent. Loving, harmonious.
Man, if you haven't tried these chocolate turtles from the gas station, they're amazing. Adrian K, thank you for your donation. All YouTube live chat donations go to the Market Cipher Scholarship Program. There is no competition. There is no comparison to Market Cipher. No bullshit free indicator. None of that.
Yeah, we got pizza. We were heating up the oven. You had such a big dinner. But it's okay. You're a growing boy. I know. You're a growing boy, huh? Man, I wish you guys could see what I'm seeing right now. This girl is straight Victoria's Secret, I swear. My God. See if we can squeeze a little something out here. Not the best entry for this trade. Not the best entry. It's something small, really just to protect the value of my assets in case of a mega dump. So really all it is, a defensive trade. This is a defensive trade. Let's take a look at the profit logs, actually. Let's see, let's see here. Okay, looks like we got some new profit logs here. Between my two accounts, was able to pull down 5 Bitcoin today. Took the 5 Bitcoin challenge, was able to make 8 since the first month. Thanks to Market CIpher, I'll go over the man itself, got the face, bang, bang. Way to go, bro. Small trade, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9 out of 10 trades. Way to go, bro. 1,300 in profits. Way to go, brown guy. Brown guy 420. Look at this avatar. It's a good one. I love a good avatar. Thanks to TFLop, trying to recover lost pass the video stuff. Alright, good job. Keep selling this Ponzi. Yeah. J-Wow, Jow, good job. Danny Z. Damn, bro. Damn, 13 Bitcoin. Oh, is this ETH? Or is that a separate? No, this is the 100K club, I'm pretty sure. Danny messaged me just to make sure. I gotta start. There's a couple people I gotta add to the 100K club. First trades with Market CIpher. Thank you, team community for making it possible. Let's make some money. First trades with Market CIpher. Okay, he's up. He's up. Made a good 0.2 Bitcoin. Good job. Super awesome day. Good job. Wow. 7.8, 0.18 Bitcoin right there. Damn. Man, look at these people.
It don't stop. It won't stop. It don't stop. It won't stop. See if we end up coming back down here. Let me go check on the pizza in the oven and whatnot. I'll be right back, friends. I'll be right back.
positive, the negative. The mind, the body, the positive, the negative. The mind, the body, the positive, the negative. This frequency is and has become a threat to our society as we know it. While the party is still in progress, we will keep you updated on our current status.
Alright, so the oven's heating up here. Now, alright, let's take a look, see here. So we're here seeing this yellow X on 1 hour, Coinbase 1 hour. Okay. Okay. It's at an interesting point. We also have this blood dot. A little, I'll keep it PG, never mind, but there was... Got a little red dot right here, folks, signaling that we are most likely going to see some white momentum to the downside. Why using Coinbase? Because that is where the market is drawn from. It is the core. Taking a look at the monthly. Wow, look at the monthly. It's like we could be topping off. VWAP heading to the downside. Interesting. Beautiful red X on the 5-day candle. Boy, was this, I'm telling you, money. Money right there. Absolutely beautiful. God, the more, you know, the more you just look at market CIpher, just the more it seeks to amaze. It's amazing. Check out this pizza. Alrighty. Got the pizza in the oven. Yeah, you know, if there wasn't any, like, again, remember, we always say, like, the first yellow X, first two are always the strongest. So I wouldn't really be surprised if we didn't see too much downward movement after this one. We got a couple interviews lined up. We're going to be going back on Crypto again, back to our old Swedish friends. Because we got to let the Swedish haters know, you know. We got to let them know. Something about the Euro-Swedish audience there. They're a little prickly and a little pessimistic and beta bitches. Not all of them, but many of them. know we have a lot of new people that came here today. The website is where you sign up for Market CIpher for the Whale Crew. The website, folks. The website. What day is it today? Okay, so it's Wednesday. Okay. Let's see. Man, that was so sick when we saw these candles, just that strong push down. We're like, it's gonna dump, it's gonna flash wick dump, it's gonna flash down, and then it did. Everything we've said was gonna happen happened. Everything. So beautiful, so amazing. Couldn't be happier. I really couldn't be happier. And you know, nailing the big trade, that's cool and all. Money doesn't affect me. Seeing like big money, I'm not affected really by it, right? Which is why I'm like, I never really minded taking risk in things. But what makes me happy is seeing the profit logs and mommy cryptos and mommies and everyone just kicking ass and succeeding in this space when most of them have never succeeded before. Most people in this space, the majority, bought shit coins, were on the shitcoin lottery game, trying to buy little shit tokens, looking at stupid paid review videos, Digibyte bullshit, lost all their money. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if this again comes up here. Yeah, I don't hold Bitcoin long term. It's to me it's stupid. It's like, if I know that it's gonna go down, why would I want to hold it? That makes no sense to me. Now I'll have money ready to buy some. I have fiat positions ready to buy back in. Got about 10 minutes till the pizza's ready. All right, gold, baby. Come back up, baby. Let's go. Oh, I would love to see gold just rocket up another step again. That would be awesome. Oh, that's a 15-minute chart. Whoops. Interesting. Interesting for gold right here. Keltner channels, my God, why didn't I think of that? Why didn't I remember this? Excellent, excellent, excellent reminder. Thank you for reminding me of the amazing Keltner channels. You know, in a solid downtrend on the last bear market, on the last downtrend, we made a lot of money off the Keltner channels. You're absolutely right. S&P's coiling up here. How's my baby Zcash doing? I bet this is down the toilets. Sure is. Shitter Ripple continuing to take a dump. Dumpster coin. think we can get up to at least the 8460s, 8450s. 8450, 60s, I'll be looking to enter some. I almost want to cut this little shit. We'll see. We'll see if we can come down maybe a little bit more. If not, no big deal. I'll just DCA it. No big deal. No, I inquired about I filled out the inquiry form on the Ferrari. I had other stuff I had to do today, but I filled out the form, so I'm sure someone will call me tomorrow. And I'll go check it out. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I hope MC's been kicking ass for you, brother. Screw this. I'm gonna take this little loss here. It was a bad trade to enter to begin with, but it's all good. I don't think this is. We're not ready to dump yet. We're not ready to dump yet. We've seen this formation a bunch of times, and it'll at least make a few humps. It'll at least make a couple more humps, I think. So if we get back up in here, then I might enter a good short and just let it chill. Oh, gotta get the pizza. Alrighty, we're gonna let the pizza cool down a little bit. Looks good. Looks good. Good looking pizza.
In our way, it's future base, it's future base. It's speed dining, it's all day, it's speed dining, day, it's speed dining, it's all day, it's speed dining, get in our way, it's speed dining, get in all day, it's speed dining, day, it's speed dining, get in all day, it's speed dining, we go hard all day, it's speed dining, get in all day, it's speed dining, day, it's speed dining, get in all day, it's speed dining, future base is future base.
I think I'm gonna call it a stream. Gonna eat some pizza, probably play some World of Warcraft, call it a night, unless something crazy happens, which I don't think it is. I'm gonna be looking, you know, in this area, probably to re-enter a short and play it smart, play it safe. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.